evening and welcome to Mam Talks. I'm Anna and no Kathy, no Jan. Weird times we're going through, aren't we? This social isolation, we can't get together. We've tried doing it on the Zoom conference and hopefully that will be in our future, near future. But for right now, I'm it. I wanted to share with you, I know I've mentioned in the last few videos that I've gone vegan and I'm really enjoying it. I'm eating such amazing food. It's just delicious. And one of the things I've discovered is the king oyster mushroom. Now this one's on the large side, but it is a mushroom. It has the cap and the stem, and it does look big, but this would make enough for one person because it has a lot of moisture, and so it's just enough for one person. This and a vegetable, delicious. So let me show you how to prepare it. They're not easy to find. I actually had a lot of difficulty finding it. They're very common in England. So without further ado, I cut off the cap and save that for another one or chop it up into little slices. But the stem, I'm going to cut off the very bottom tip. The stem is so easy. All you do is shred it with a fork. And at first you think it's not working, but it does. Once you are done shredding it, for those of us that are vegan and miss some of our traditional foods, it makes almost like a chicken dish, like a shredded chicken dish. You can use this on, see, nice big shreds. See? Look at this. It looks like chicken, like shredded chicken. You can use this in chicken soups. You can use this, or pretend chicken soups. You can use this in Caesar salad with chicken. See how beautiful? They are just gorgeous. The shreds are just so meaty and gorgeous. Now once I'm done shredding this, I place this in a very, very hot, I use my cast iron skillet with a little bit of olive oil. Just enough so that nothing will stick. But I saute it until it's crispy. You can also put a pan on top so you can squeeze out all the moisture. And it's absolutely delicious. Now, I have it several ways. I've had it without anything on it, just crispy with rice and maybe some black beans. Or I have here, I've shredded it like this, sauteed it, and then add a little bit of barbecue sauce and put it in a bun, and oh my God, the most delicious barbecue slider you can imagine. Look how much this is producing, right? But like I said, when the moisture goes out, it's not that much food. So you need about 2 big ones or 4 medium-sized ones for 2 people. It's absolutely easy. I mean, this takes what? No time at all. Having gone vegan, I am so enjoying all the discoveries. I've discovered that you can eat the tops of carrots, you can eat the leaves from the sweet potato plant, that you can cook bok choy any which way. I'm just, every night I call my sister and I said, you're not going to believe what I have for dinner tonight. And it's always better than the night before. Ta-da! What a beautiful dish with beautiful white meat from the king oyster mushroom. Delicious any way you want to eat it. Saute it, barbecue sauce, hoisin sauce. I've used a jar of tikka masala and put it on. I've also used harissa, prepared harissa sauce. Oh my God, what a discovery that has been. Absolutely exquisite. I hope you enjoy this. I hope you get to try it. Easy as pie, and you get to love it as much as I do. Keep on embracing getting older in these very, very bizarre and weird times that we're living in. And don't forget to always embrace getting older. Bye.